Welcome to YI Bhopal, all the viewers, especially the team Yuva. And we have with us
अभी आ रही
today,
है?
yes, we are live, sir. So we have with us today Manvendra, the chair of. We have today with us Manvendra ji, who is the chair of Gift and Organ Vertical.
Anuj,
He's
mic
on.
is muted.
No, it is not muted. We can hear you. Manvendra ji, we can hear you. So, Manveen is the chair for Gift and Organ. And Manveen, your opening remarks as YI Bhopal. I think there's some network issue with Manveen. But Manveen, are you there? मानवेन जी आप हैं वहां सुन पा रहे हैं मानवेन we cannot hear you. So let me fix this problem, and in the meantime
मुझे तो कुछ सुना ही नहीं दे रहा.
Geet Bhabi requests you to take from here. I'll just connect with Manveen and come back for this technical glitch.
Yeah, sure.
So we are
Sure.
all set to celebrate Gift and Organ. Our Yuva chair for Bhopal, who is doing a phenomenal job across India. The Yuva is leading. Geet Bhabi, you start. Just connect with Manveen and
Yeah,
come back.
sure. So we are starting with a very good, important week with Gift and Organ, and we have with us our very energetic and enterprising Yuvas. I think Bhumika and Pratham are here today to tell us about the importance of organ donation. So I wish you all the best, and I'm sure that you'll be telling something very interesting about this topic to all of us. So over to you, Bhumika and Pratham. All the best, and really feel proud to have so energetic Yuvas in associated with us in YI.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sure.
Sir.
So, Geet, before they start, I would like to know ki how is the energy of Yuva in Bhopal chapter, and how has been your journey as a chair of Yuva? You joined via a few months, like just last year, and Yuva was something very important which you wanted to take. So, how is your journey? आपको कैसा लग रहा है इस युवा को लीड करके?
I think I cannot speak much about it, and I don't have to speak much about it because my Yuvas are doing a phenomenal job. And as everybody can see in all the different, verticals, my Yuvas are really doing an amazing job. In this pandemic, also, they are utilizing their energy in so positive way in volunteering with us in such a energetic way. So I'm really speechless, and I thank all my Yuvas, um, you know um, on behalf of all the YI members and YI Bhopal. I really wish all the best to you, and you all are really doing very good. I feel proud to be associated with you all and to lead you all. Thank you so much.
So a good leader makes people to do work. That is of the mantra, Geet, and definitely the importance of this week is very much because gift and organ is something which is very close to the agenda of young Indians. Through gift and organ, we are trying to create a lot of awareness for the making this to reach all the youth and the all the people in the country. So now we have Manvendra with us. Manvendra, your opening remarks. Today has been a phenomenal day. हमने गिफ्ट एंड ऑर्गन का एक बहुत अच्छा वीक सेलिब्रेट करने को हम आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. तो आज का वेबिनार आपके ओपनिंग रिमार्क्स से स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं.
Oh, great. Thanks a lot, Anuj. Thanks a lot. Thanks, Geet, and wonderful support by you and your team. Yuva have been definitely a rocking vertical in our Bhopal chapter. Bhumika, Prashantam, thanks. I think gift and organ is something which is very close to me also, because I closely work with the health sector, and I have requested all the one today to make this gift and organ week a very successful one. We are trying to get big support and appreciation, as well as this your pledge from a
Endorsement.
lot of, yeah, from some big dignitaries also, and hopeful this time we will make some good things.
All went very well executed, Manvin, as a chapter chair of YI, and seeing the energy. And in fact, you won't believe Manvin was about to meet a cabinet minister for the video recording, but that cabinet minister was COVID detected.
We
So
got we got code.
we have to keep that safety in place. But we will definitely are looking for a very good validatory. And
Yeah,
Manvin, it's a great rocking show you are doing, and
thanks,
all
thanks,
the
Anuj.
support from Yuva,
It's all
and
it's all the support from you guys.
definitely Manvin, and we also request to next time come with the co-chair also.
Sure,
So
sure, sure,
we
definitely,
would like to have the co-chair also in the in tomorrow's webinar. So with your
definitely,
permission,
definitely.
we kick out today's
Yep,
webinar.
yep.
Thank you,
Please. Okay,
thank
thanks,
you.
thanks a lot. Yeah.
So, Bhumika, bringing the importance of gift and organ, you can please start your session. Viewers, we are trying to give our Yuva speakers an opportunity to talk about what they've prepared. Over to you, Bhumika and Pratham. Thank you so much. And now the stage is all yours with the permission of our Yuva chair.
Good evening, Anush sir. Good evening, Geet ma'am. Good evening, Manvin sir. Today, my name is Pratham Jain. I am here from the GAO Vertical Bhopal chapter. As we all know that world celebrates Organ Donation Day on 13th of August. So, YI Bhopal has taken an initiative and we are celebrating the Organ Donation Week. So, Bhumika.
So, as today is its first day, and so we would like to talk about the importance of organ donation. A transplant is the ultimate legacy a person can leave and the greatest gift of community service we can give. So, here we are to tell you all about the organ donation that the Yuva needs to hear. Ratan, can you share the screen?
Yeah, I'm sharing my screen. So, basically, let me tell you something about gift and organ. Gift organ is an awareness drive on organ donation started by CII Young Indians in year 2016. The objective of this drive is to create awareness, encourage students and various communities in the VIA chapter across the India. We are behind this project wholeheartedly, and we are not here for the change to human habits but simply to correct unwanted beliefs. And we know that with large population India is always famed for changing the mindset of few hundred thousands, which would be the aim of the project. So almost everyone reading this would nod their hands at the idea of organ donation, but very few of us actually have taken those 10 minutes to pledge our organs. So we believe in a well-rounded communication program to promote the cause under the initiative. A series of events and activities for the general public, for the medical fraternity, and targeted outreach activities are constantly organized across the country. So now
So,
Bhumika will tell you something
basically,
about organization.
So basically, to quote the definition of the organ donation, it is the process of donating organs like your heart, your eyes, and also the tissues for the purpose of transplanting them into another person who is in need of an organ. Then we have like our first inspiration for organ donation is Ganesha, as we all know about the story. Uh, that was the first example of sorry, transplantation in the world. So Lord Ganesha was our inspiration.
Now, basically, there are two types of organ donation. The one is living organ donation, and the second one is deceased organ donation. So, basically, living organ donation is a surgical procedure to remove an organ or portion of any organ from a living being and place it in another person where organ is no longer functioning properly. There are some types of living organ donation, like we can donate liver, kidney, pancreas, skin, or blood.
So the deceased organs, so the process of giving an organ or a part of an organ at the time of the donor's death for the purpose of transplantation to another person. That is the process of giving your organs when the donor is at the time of donor's death. So these uh, organs are lungs, heart, cornea, bones, and we can see the screen. All these organs can be donated, and anyone, regardless of age, race, or religion or gender, can donate these organs.
Now, this question always arises that how many lives will you save? So, one organ donor can save 8 lives. Two people can be free from dialysis treatment with the donation of 2 kidneys. And also, 2 lungs can give the gift of life to 2 people.
So many of them are confused, like what if the person who needs an organ is not nearby? So there is no issue. The organs have a lifespan, and the heart can be donated in the lifespan of 4 to 6 hours, and lungs also, and pancreas also for 4 to 6 hours. The liver can be transplanted in the time span of 4 to 16 hours, and the kidneys can be donated in the time span of up to 30 hours. So a donor is someone who wants to donate organs and tissues. Sometimes these donors even save another person's life after their own death. In this way, people whose organs and tissues do not function properly can be helped.
Basically, where do I get registered? So, you have to go on the link at giftanorgan.youngindians.net. There is an option to pledge, and then from there you can donate. So what happens after I register as a donor? So basically your name and details will go in the national list of the donors, and you will receive a donor's card. This will show that you are the superhero and want to donate your organ to save someone's life.
So there are many myths and reality that the people are really confused about. So I'm going to share those myths. So one is that once you decide to become an organ donor, you can never change your mind. That is not at all true. You can always change your mind. You always have the option to change your decision. Next, there is that people assume that there are only a few people that need organs to be transplanted, but that is not so. Every time a person decides to donate an organ, the list of people that need an organ goes on increasing. There's a difference between those two. And then we have that many people think that you need to the cost of organ donation is to be the family needs to pay for that. That is also not true. The reality is that you just need to go there to the hospital or whatever uh, place is there. You just need to donate your organ. The rest of will be taken care by the hospital and the factories. Then we have like you are not too old to donate your organs. If the just age is just a number, so you just need to. You are not a child can also donate his organs, and an old age person can also do that.
So basically, we are also adding uh, pledge and the quiz link after the session. So you all can attempt that quiz.
Thank you, Bhumika and Pratham. A good attempt you made it about giving some awareness on organ donation. So, Geet, really thank you for having Yuva coming up and talking. Definitely, their words would not be of a professional, but युवा का involvement in चीजों में उस awareness को देगा, and the way these guys have tried to create a presentation, definitely uh, uh, as per the presentation and the knowledge, this presentation could be improved much more. But I really respect that the Yuva is coming up and talking about it. So all the best, the team Yuva, for the taking this ahead, and let's hope that our Yuva team comes up with the maximum pledges. Geet, your final notes and for the Yuva team and to Bhumika and Pratham.
Yeah, thank you. First of all, thank you, Bhumika and Pratham, for sharing us this information in such a simple way. I know you all are not professional, but you both shared these all information in such a simple way that actually the people who will be hearing this will be, benefited with this, and they'll pledge for this thing, and they'll come forward to for this organ donation. So thank you for sharing, and these all informations, and all the best for your futures.
So thank you guys. We take your leave, and the quiz will be posted on Via Bhopal page. See you tomorrow for this next 20 minutes of learning for the tomorrow's session, which will be tomorrow. We'll be talking about one organ every day. And thank you viewers for watching, or who will come and watch later. Thanks, Geet, Bhumika, and Pratham also.